Okay, so I know a lot of you have been reaching out to me here on YouTube and some other channels as well with questions about your self-taping, your self-tape auditions specifically. And it's clear to me that so many of you are still struggling with how to actually stand out and book from your self-tape auditions. I get it. I know you're tired of sending in your self-tape auditions into what seems to be a void. And never hearing back, never getting any feedback whatsoever. I know you feel like you're doing probably everything right, but still not getting callbacks. Every audition feels like a shot in the dark. I understand. And sometimes the character description doesn't even fit you at all. And it all starts to feel like a complete waste of time. First of all, let me just tell you that you are not alone. And more importantly, you can change all of that. I am doing a free one-on-one self-taping coaching session for my subscribers here on YouTube. I'm opening up a few coaching spots for actors who are serious about figuring out and mastering their self-tape auditions. This is a private one-on-one Zoom session with me where we will break down your performance. We're going to look at what's working, which again, a lot of things probably are, and we're going to find out what's not working and how to fix it and how to fix it fast. And here's what you're going to walk away with. Clear, actionable feedback on your self-tape performance. Pro-level adjustments to strengthen your delivery immediately. Insider insight into what casting directors are really watching for. The most common mistakes actors make on tape, and real tips on how to stand out in this ever competitive industry from a working actor and coach. Now, those of you who have been watching me for a while, you already know this. You're going to find no fluff here. There's no buzzwords. There's no catch. There's no nonsense. I don't blow smoke up people's asses. It's just focused professional coaching from someone working in the industry right now and helping actors get real results. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start improving, here's what you do. In the comments below, drop your name, where you're based, and how long you've been acting. Any other information, but not too much. There's also going to be a link in the description, and that will connect you to book your spot. You must be 18 years or older and serious about doing the work. I don't want any pretenders. I don't want you to waste my time. This is going to fill up immediately, and so I'm pretty sure you know what to do. Let's get your self-tapes working for you and get you working. But again, I don't want any nonsense. If you're not serious about this, don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. But let me know, and let's get working.